9 minus 6 will give us 3. Divide by 3 times 2 will give us 6. And 3 divided by 6 will give us 1 over 2, which is equal to 0.5. This is a wrong answer, because if we follow the order of operation called PEMDAS, M stands for multiplication and D stands for division. They are in the same order of priority. You evaluate from left to right. A and S stand for addition and subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. So we are going to do this multiplication and division first before we do the addition and subtraction. According to this equation, we will do this division first because we evaluate from left to right. After that, we are doing the multiplication, and after we do the multiplication, we are going to do the subtraction. So let's begin. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. You bring down this subtraction sign, you bring down the 9, you bring down this multiplication, and you bring down the 2. 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. We have the subtraction here, we have the 9 here. Now 9 minus 4 will give us 5. So the correct answer to this equation is 5.